Hi, I'm Preeti from Safe Baby, and this video is going to be about a product, flexible cabinet lock. I have one open with me here. Let me just show you how you can use this. As you can see, it has two flexible loops, one on the right and one on the left, and center is the locking mechanism, which is in the heart shape, and in the center of that you have one button here, and you have another button on the right and the left side. So what you need to do is, when you need to take out the left loop, all you need to do is press the center button and press the right button and slide out the right loop. And the same procedure for the left one. Press the center button, press left side button and slide out the left loop. And I'll show you how you can put this on your handle. When you want to lock it, just slide it through. Here it is, your umbrella is locked. I'll show you how you can open this. Press the center button, right side button, easy to use but not easy for a little one. So if you have little bigger children, say about 3 years plus or 4 years plus, this is a very good product that you can use. And you can also use this with doors which have knobs. Like I've used it with a door which has handles, but this you can also use a door which has knobs. So it's very versatile and very useful product and very simple to use. Thank you. Keep watching our other videos and all the best with your little ones.